Hello students, this is part second of microbes in human welfare. In this part we are going to discuss about some chemicals, enzymes and bioactive molecules. Bioactive molecules are those substances which have an effect or elicit response from living tissues. They include all those chemicals which influence functioning of the living system. For example, cyclosporin, statins, streptokinase, lactinin, urinic acid, enzymes. So all those chemicals which influence the function of a living system are known as bioactive molecules. First we will discuss about the solvents. Acetone, methyl alcohol and butanol are the important industrial solvents which have been produced through fermentation of sugar and starch by Clostridium acetobutylicum and Clostridium saccharoacetobutylicum. So these are the solvents which are used in some industrial processes or production of different types of materials. So these solvents are produced by fermentation of sugar or starch by these two bacteria, Clostridium acetobutylicum and Clostridium saccharoacetobutylicum. Next is the organic acid. The first organic acid produced through microbial fermentation was lactic acid by Scheele in 1789. Some common organic acid produced through microbial activities are acetic acid, citric acid, lactic acid and butyric acid. First we will discuss about the acetic acid. It is produced synthetically as well as through microbial fermentation. Vinegar is 10 to 13% acetic acid. Molasses are first fermented by yeast to produce ethyl alcohol under anaerobic condition. With the attainment of 10 to 12% alcohol content, the liquid is filtered and yeast is removed. The liquid is aerated and inoculated with acetic acid bacteria like Acetobacter aceti. It converts ethyl alcohol into acetic acid. सबसे पहले मोलासेस यानी जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट है उसको ईस्ट की प्रेजेंस में इसको फर्मेंटेशन किया जाता है. ईस्ट की प्रेजेंस में ऑक्सीजन की एब्सेंस में यानी एनारोबिक कंडीशन में जब किसी भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट का फर्मेंटेशन होता है तो अल्कोहल का फॉर्मेशन होता है. अल्कोहल का को एसिटोबैक्टर एसिटाई की प्रेजेंस में इसका फर्मेंटेशन किया जाता है तो अल्कोहल एसिटिक एसिड में चेंज हो जाता है. Next is citric acid. It is produced through fermentation activity of Aspergillus niger, Mucor piriformis, Candida lipolytica and a few other fungi. Here carbohydrate rich nutrient is placed in a shallow trays. Carbohydrate को एक shallow tray में रखा जाता है and it is inoculated with fungal spores. Citric acid is recovered through precipitation with calcium hydroxide. साइट्रिक एसिड को रिमूव करने के लिए सेपरेट करने के लिए कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड की ज़रूरत पड़ती है जिससे कैल्शियम साइट्रेट बनता है. साइट्रिक एसिड इज रीजनरेटेड बाय सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. कैल्शियम साइट्रेट से साइट्रिक एसिड को सेपरेट करने के लिए सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का यूज किया जाता है. साइट्रिक एसिड एक क्रिस्टलाइन केमिकल है विच इज एडेड इन अ सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक, जैम्स, jellies, candies and frozen fruits as preservatives. It is also used in artificial flavors, cosmetics, engraving, dyeing, ink, hair, setting fluid, etc. Next is lactic acid. It is obtained from a number of nutrient solutions like molasses, corn starch, potato starch, etc. with the help of lactic acid bacteria. Lactic acid is also present in way of cheese. It is employed in preserving and flavoring of number of edibles. Lactic acid is mordant in dyeing, tanning and printing. तो किसी भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट के सोर्स को का जब फर्मेंटेशन किया जाता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लैक्टिक एसिड बैक्टीरिया और लैक्टोबैसिलस, देन लैक्टिक एसिड इज प्रोड्यूस. जो लैक्टोज है वो लैक्टिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज एंजाइम्स. A number of enzymes are produced commercially for industrial and medical uses. First one is the pectinase. They are obtained from the fungi grown on pectin containing media. For example, Aspergillus niger and Bisoclamis fulvo. Pectinase are used in enhancing juices extraction from fruits, clearing of fruit juices, removing bitterness, ratting of fibers and fermentation of green coffee. Proteases. They are obtained from both bacteria. For example, Bacillus subtilis and Bacillus licheniformis, and fungi. For example, Aspergillus oryzae, Penicillium roqueforti, Mortierella रेनिस्पोरा. तो इन बैक्टीरिया या फंजाई की मदद से इस प्रोटीएज एंजाइम को बनाया जाता है. दे आर यूज इन एनहेंसिंग टेंडरनेस ऑफ मीट, एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ फिश लिवर ऑयल, क्लैरिफिकेशन एंड चिल प्रूफिंग ऑफ अल्कोहल ड्रिंक्स, softening of cheese and bread, cleaning of hides, degumming of silk, synthesis of glue, and in detergent for removing protein-based stains. Next is the lipases. They are lipid digesting enzymes. Lipase lipid को digest करता है. That are obtained by growing Candida lipolytica, Geotrichum candidum, Aspergillus niger, and Mucor javanicus. Lipase are used in flavoring cheese, hydrolyzing oils for soap manufacture, and in detergent formulations for removing fat-based stains. Amylases. They are the starch digesting enzymes. They convert the starch into maltose and they are obtained from Aspergillus oryzae, Aspergillus niger, Rhizopus oryzae, Bacillus diastaticus, Bacillus subtilis. तो इन बैक्टीरिया की मदद से अमाइलेज प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है और अमाइलेज का जो काम है ये स्टार्च को डाइजेस्ट करना है. These enzymes are used in softening and sweetening of the bread. ब्रेड को सॉफ्ट और स्वीट बनाने के लिए इसका यूज किया जाता है. Desizing fiber, clearing starch, related stains in utensil and clothes. Corn starch is converted into fructose, rich sweet corn syrup through agency of amylase, glucoamylase and glucoisomerase. Next is lactase. Enzyme obtained from yeast species is used in preventing crystal formation in milk products including ice cream and cheese. Next is chymosin or rennin. It is produced by species Endothea and Mucor. Enzyme is used in the preparation of cheese. Streptokinase, it is very important to note that it is also known as the tissue plasminogen activator or TPA, which is obtained from hemolytic Streptococcus species and modified genetically to be used in human being. It is used as clot buster or dissolving blood clots in vessels of the patients having undergone myocardial infarction or heart attack. तो ये जो ब्लड क्लॉट है, जो ब्लड वेसल्स के अंदर ब्लड क्लॉट हो जाता है, उसको दूर करने के लिए इस स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज का यूज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज साइक्लोस्पोरिन. इट इज एन 11 मेंबर्ड cyclic oligopeptide. The nutrient medium consists of 4% glucose, 1% peptone and mineral salts. The microbes is Trichoderma, Polyspora, Tolypocladium, inflatum. Cyclosporin has an immunosuppressive property as it inhibits the activation of T cell response to transplanted organ. तो जब भी हमें अपना इम्यून सिस्टम रेस्पॉन्स रिड्यूस करना होता है एट द टाइम ऑफ ऑटो इम्यून डिजीजेज या किसी ऑर्गन के ट्रांसप्लांट होने के टाइम पर, तो साइक्लोस्पोरिन एक इम्यूनो सप्रेसेंट है जो हमारे इम्यून सिस्टम को सप्रेस कर देता है.